Oh, okay, go.
Hello guys, today we're going to make siren head with Legos.
Yeah, what your name first?
My name is Jeremiah.
Where you live?
I live at Singapore.
Okay, now what are you doing?
I'm making siren head first like that
Silent head with what materials?
with Legos.
Oh, Lego, okay.
After that, put hand like that.
Now what are you making, by the way?
Siren head
With Legos, okay.
and like that. After that, put your hand here and another side.
Mm-hmm.
And then you put like a views.
Mm-hmm.
After that, you put these two.
This one for the legs?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
After that, we put these.
Mm-hmm.
Then we put the legs. And this is siren head.
Oh yeah, show the camera.
This is how siren head looks like.
Oh, okay. Thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching and please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.